What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video review. As always in this channel, we're going to cover all the cryptocurrency project, also the cryptocurrency investment website. All of that is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before you are going to invest or put your money in a project to mention our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Today's project, we have already done 2 videos about it, and there is a great news because you can now play the video games and you can get a lot of reward. All the link of last project you will find in the description section, so it will be easy for you guys to watch it if you want. But today we will show you what your laptop needs so you can install the game and play it. Also more information about how you can participate and buy this project or this token. In addition, we'll show you the way that you can get more reward from this project with a lot of features. This project called DragonSB. DragonSB is the first fantasy metaverse dragon game launched on Terra protocol. Also, the DragonSB fantasy metaverse world, player will control dragons, warriors, and eggs. In addition, this project is focused in NFTs as well as play to earn video games. All that is in one platform, in one project that calls DragonSB. This is more information like the token, also the roadmap and the team. If you want to play this video game, first you need to go to the pitch deck, because you will find here all the details and all the information that will help you how you can play to earn by playing levels and getting a reward, or also staking this project or the token of this project, as well as you can also trade it in exchange or selling the NFTs as well. It's passive income from NFTs. Also trade item and game on the NFT marketplace, as well as you can join in win video games and staking the token as well. You will find here all the features such as low transaction fees and multi-chain platform, as well as a great community in the first and the only metaverse game on the Terra protocol platform. Now, this is the interface of the video game. Also, you will find how you can sell and receive tokens from playing video games. You can also create your avatar and you can participate in contest with it, and as soon you start winning more video games, your avatar or your character will get more valuable. Also guys, if you want to download this application or this game, the requirement: the minimum is Windows 7, the Intel Core i3. Also you will need 5 gig of RAM, and the version of storage is 1.5 gigabyte. The requirement is E5 or Intel ADM or NVIDIA GeForce, 5 gig of RAM, the version 11. Also the storage is 1.5 gigabyte. All you need to do is click on download. After that, all you need to do to play the video games is using your keyboard. If you are interested, I will download it in the next video and I will give you full details, and we will try to create our avatar of our channel, and why not giving away this avatar to anyone who is lucky in our channel. And also guys, if you want to get more information, I advise you to read the white paper that contain all the vision, or all you need to do is go and watch the last videos. And don't forget the great news guys. The great news, it's going to be listed in a great exchange that will be in the few days, so stay tuned guys, and I advise you to take the chance and install the video game and play it as well. If you want to get more information, I advise you to follow them via Telegram group as well as the Twitter page, because they share anything new there. Also they making some giveaways for whitelist, like 200 for the first place, second place 100, and the third place is $50 for the third place. And this is the news that I have already talked about in the last video. This is a reminder, is a great opportunity to invest. I will leave the link in the description section, so if you want to participate or if you want to buy this wonderful project, all you need to do is read that and take your chance and take your place. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Also share the video with your friend if you like it. See you in another video review. Peace.